Okay, so in our last session, okay, we have downloaded Oracle software and our SQL developer tool also. So if I go to downloads here, you will get 2 zip file. Okay, so what you have to do, just do right click here and click on extract all. So it will download this SQL developer zip file, zip folder. Okay, and you will get other folder like this. In the same way, again click on Oracle XE. Okay, then click on extract all. Once it finished, you will get second folder like this. Okay, for Oracle. So in today's session, we are going to install this both software. So firstly, we will install our Oracle XE. So click on this, go to this folder and see here you got one file, setup. Okay, or run as. See what I have done is that just do right click on this setup file. Okay, and run as admin. Fine, click on yes. Guys, it will take a lot of time, okay, because these software are very heavy and they will take huge space, maybe more than 2 GB. So you should have good memory also in your laptop. It was preparing to install and it disappeared. Let me see why. Just refresh, again refresh. Okay, what I will do, I will just again click run as admin, click on yes. Fine, now configuring Windows installer. Okay, fine guys, so this is the earlier window. Okay, so click on next. Now again I think it will open 2 times because I click on that 2 times, right? Let me check it. Not the issue. Here we have to click on what? Next. Then here accept the agreement, click on next. Again it will ask you for the location. Okay, so click on next. Enter database password and see what it is giving is that this password will be used for sys system and pdb admin account. Okay, so let me give some password here. Then click on next, install. Quite fast, but it is copying file. Okay, installation may take some time. So guys, this is the new channel. Okay, and I will try my best to share my knowledge here. Okay, but still if you find anything, any mistake, please comment and I will try to improve myself. Since long time I was thinking to create the channel on YouTube and now it is started. Okay, fine, 30% complete, 29% complete. It is very slow, man, but patience is required in IT industry. Okay, without patience you can't do anything. So what I will do is that I will just pause the video. Okay, just up to next step. Fine. Okay, so now our processing is finished. Okay, here, and now see you have to remember this thing. Okay, what I will do, I will just take the snapshot of this, shift plus print screen, shift plus print screen. I'll open the paint, control V, fine, and control S, desktop. Pluggable database is what? XEPDB1. Okay, and localhost will be your this one, like host name, and 1521 will be the port number. Okay, this one you have to remember, it is quite common. Okay, and now we are going to click on the finish. Fine, so now our Oracle DB is installed successfully. Okay, now let's cross verify it. What we will do, go to search, click on this one search button and search for SQL. See, we got the option SQL plus. Okay, click on this. Now once you click on the SQL plus, it will ask you the username, right? So if you remember, we have set it one password earlier. Okay, for the username was like sys was there, system was there, they have given 2 to 3 username, right? So I will just type sys, okay, as sysdba, okay, sys as sysdba, and then I will enter my password. See, it will not show here, okay, but if you type the password, it will get typed automatically. Then click on enter. See, connected to the Oracle Database 21c Express Edition. Okay, so guys, today we have installed our Oracle Database 21c successfully. Now let's fire some query. Select star from tab, select star from tab. Fine, so it will display all the tables available in the Oracle DB. So it will take some time, right? Whatever internal tables are there, it will display, right? If I type select star from dual is some dummy table, right? It was there in Oracle 9. See, we got it. So our Oracle database is installed successfully. Okay, now one problem is there. Why we are going to install SQL developer tool, right? As I told you earlier in the last session, this SQL developer tool, okay, will act as the GUI for my Oracle DB. Okay, so what is that? SQL developer, okay, developer tool. SQL developer tool, okay, will act as what? GUI, okay, graphical user interface. Okay, it will make my database operation very easy. Just imagine if I want to create table here on this console, I have to fire queries, right? And it's, for some people it's quite boring, okay, to fire queries on this kind of interface, right? So rather than going for this interface, what we will do is that we will install our SQL developer tool now. Okay, now firstly let's install that. Go to SQL developer, then go to bottom. What we will do, we will just copy this. Okay, just copy this, Control C, copying SQL developer. Let's go to C drive, this PC, C drive, Control V. Okay, fine. Now here let's just do double click on this. So now it's opening my SQL developer tool. What is that? Would you like to import preferences from previous SQL developer? No, it was not there, so I will click on the no. This is first time I'm installing. Okay, fine, our tool is open now. Allow automated usage reporting to Oracle. Fine, not the issue. Okay, right. So now see, this is my SQL developer tool, right? And this SQL developer tool UI, okay, is quite good than this black screen, right? It's sometimes we don't feel comfortable to perform operation on this black screen, right? So this is the very fantastic GUI, okay, graphical user interface for Oracle database. Now first thing is that we have to create the database connection, right? So just right click on this Oracle connection, right click, then new connection, right? And I'm just giving name to this connection like swap db, okay, or Niels db. Then my username, it was sys by default, not here, sys, okay. Here click sysdba, okay, sys adds sysdba, then enter the password. That's why you have to remember the password, okay. Enter the password here, then click on this save password checkbox also, okay. Then see, localhost is here, 1521 is here, and exe is here, right? So we have taken one snapshot, right, earlier. This was the snapshot. If you check here on this snapshot, right, this port number is what? 1521, okay. 1521 is our port number. Now let's go to this, see, 1521, and type this SID as ORCL, okay, ORCL for latest version. Now let's test it. Click on test, testing connection. Network adapter could not establish connection. Let me check, let me try XE here, test. This is quite common problem, okay. Default, if I go click on test, test failed, network adapter could not establish the connection. Copying this, copied, and let's open Notepad. Open it, Control V here. Network adapter issue, right? Some issue with the network adapter. Okay, fine. So in this black screen, if you check at the top, let me do one thing. Let me just close it. Let me just open SQL plus again, and let me enter my username sys as sysdba, okay, sys as sysdba, and password as root. So it is connected now. Okay, let me do one more thing. Let me try here. Let me go to this command prompt and let me just try this command prompt, and let me find my IP address. IP config. My IPv4 is what? This one. Just copy this, okay, right click to copy, copied, and then host name. Let's do one thing, paste it here, Control V, and again test it. Failure, connection as sys should be as sysdba, okay buddy, fine, great, sysdba, and test. Fantastic. Okay, so guys, it happens sometime, okay, sometime it happen, it's not identifying the localhost as the host name. So let's click on connect now, save, connect, fine. Okay, so see, our database connection happen here. And see, one more advantage is that if you want to create the table, right, if you want to create the table in this black console, okay, you have to write create table command, create table command. If you want to view table, then you have to fire the command like select star from table name, right? But if you go to this kind of GUI, which is graphical user interface, okay, then see, if you go to this one here, you will find tables. So this UI is quite user friendly, okay, as compared to that black console, fine. And if you want to fire any command, you can fire here on this console, okay. You can just type like select star from dual. It's just a dummy table. Okay, so let's start from dual. Fine, we got it, dummy table. So guys, today what we have done, we have installed Oracle database successfully. Okay, and then we have created the connection from our Oracle database to our from our Oracle SQL developer tool to our Oracle database. Okay, and guys, this is my beginning, so support me by subscribing my channel. Okay, and if you are having any suggestions or any feedback, okay, please feel free to comment. So thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, take care. Okay, and please subscribe our channel, which is Technical Learning for All. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and bye bye.